Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I have brought you the top 5 best apps for Android to make amazing thumbnails. So many YouTubers don't attract viewers. This is also one of the main reason for not getting views. That means you are not making good thumbnails. But don't worry, watch this video, it will definitely help you. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Let's start our video now. 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤𝐬 is very amazing app for making awesome creations. Features of 𝐓𝐡𝐴𝑡: photo editor, video editor, replay, remix and free to edit images, sketch, 𝐓𝐡𝐴𝑡 Gold, free stickers and sticker maker. 𝐴𝐴 Lab is very popular app, which is used by many YouTubers to make awesome thumbnails. Let's see the features of this app. Text, 3D text, text effects, text color, text font, stickers, import images, draw, change the background, save as a project. Designer app is a very excellent app, in which you can design your own images in seconds using ready-made templates. This app also have similar features like 𝐓𝐡𝐴𝑡 and 𝐶𝐶𝐴𝑡 Lab, and many more. Adobe Spark is also useful for every creator, especially for YouTubers. This app has more features than 𝐓𝐡𝐴𝑡 and 𝐶𝐶𝐴𝑡 Lab. Canva is very popular app which is used by so many YouTubers. It has similar features like Designer app. And this app also have so many features which make this app very useful. Friends, I really recommend these 5 apps for you. Start creating awesome thumbnails and many more. I hope this video helpful to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, then write your comments below. I will respond to your problem within 1 minute. Friends, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and your family.